Right, next up we got a official FIFA fan festival anthem. Nicki Minaj is in it, Maluma, and what's his Marim Fair. Tuku taka. You got me saying tuku taka tuku curly hair. You would have my little brother on his knees. You would kill my little brother curly hair. He would die seeing you.
Me, soy Trini. Everything the man have that for me. Donde este el dinero papi gimme. Pretty face, ugly girl can't see me. Me that pretty teeth, let me do my little shimmy. That look fat, but the waist still.
What was that? Something shimmy. I didn't know. What you say, Nikki?
Soy Trini. Everything the man have that for me. Donde este el dinero papi gimme. Pretty face, ugly girl can't see me.
Pretty face, ugly girl can't see me.
Me that pretty teeth, let me do my little shimmy.
Shimmy.
But the waist still skinny. It's so good that the man I get clingy. I give what I when I do it at the Henny. Wait, it's a great night. Me and my girls turned up, it's a date night. We got these bitches so pressed, but break lights. The bars really ain't hitting like a play fight. Yo, mira, conmigo pa' amiga. Loca la vida. Yo soy muy rica, papel plástica. Some say foot.
Sorry? What languages you speaking?
Date night. We got these bitches so pressed, but break lights. Them bars really ain't hitting like a play fight. Yo, mira, conmigo pa' amiga. Loca la vida. Yo soy muy rica, papel plástica. Some say foot.
Why that sound so sexy though? Run it back. Soy muy rica. Huh? Plástica. Hey!
Look a shot so plaka.
Yo, your hips ain't lying. Your hips. Your hips are the truth. The truth. Well, hold on, brother. Something. Research purposes.
Maluma, bebé, baby. ¿Qué tal si me pego lento a tu taca? Viéndote la vuelta cuando el perro ataca. Oro es lo que tiene bajo de esa bata. Qué lindo me trata. Cuerpito 60-90.
Hey, vaya. That go by James is serious though.
Alquilan y lo ponen en venta. Eso es lo que en el barrio comentan.
I like his vibe, you know. Maluma's vibe is serious. I like his vibe.
Bata, qué lindo me trata. Cuerpito 60-90. Ella es gol al minuto 90. No lo alquilan ni lo ponen en venta. Eso es lo que en el barrio comentan. Porque es ahí.
Hey.
Anda por ahí. Quiere que lo mueva así. Sí. Es ahí. La que anda por ahí. Quiere que lo mueva así. Sí. Me gusta a mí.
She's from Lebanon. It doesn't surprise me. It doesn't surprise me at all. Yo, Lebanon.
خلينا كلنا نغني دنيا حوالينا جني والعالم كله يهني والصوت يحلى ويعلى خلي العالم يسمعنا ويعيش اللحظة معنا بالفيفا اللي بتجمعنا ضحك الدنيا بتملى سالو ويت اسمع
The truth.
تملى سالو ويت اسمع سلام
Alaikum salam. You can greet me anytime. Peace be unto you as well. It's a sick collaboration though. What was that? What was that? Che, she got like the clappy things on her hands. The hell? Is that some sort of jewelry? That was sick. That was a sick collaboration, you know. That was a sick collaboration. Sick. It's very catchy. Very catchy. Obviously Nicki bodied her verse. She is one of the greatest female rappers. I don't care what anyone says to me. She is. You know what I'm saying? Maluma. Oh my God, Maluma. Yo, when I see double up, M-A confuses her, brother. I swear to you, my brain be like, what does that say? But yeah, that's his name. And what's her name? Miram? What's her name? Miriam? Shut up, Musa. That's how you say okay. I was struggling. I'm not saying no tuku taka so you can clip me. You lot think I'm crazy. I know you lot are gonna try and clip me. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this reaction. If you did, you know what to do. Smash the thumbs on YouTube, my channel, subscribe, and I'll catch you lot in the next one. Love life. Peace.